Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start finding local experiences with Viator, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Viator website. On the home page, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Enter your desired location or activity in the search bar. Press the search button or hit enter to load the results. Once the results page appears, you'll see various options for local experiences. You can filter the results based on factors like price, duration, and category. Explore the options by scrolling through the list of experiences. Click on any experience that catches your interest for more details. Read the description to understand what the experience includes. Check the customer reviews for insights from others who have participated. Note the pricing and any available discounts or promotions. Select the date and time that works best for you. If you're ready to book, click the Book Now button. Fill in the required information to complete your booking. After confirmation, you'll receive a confirmation email with your details. Remember to check for any additional instructions or requirements. Enjoy your local experience with Viator. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.